10 was out there. Remember that time like yesterday. Couldn't imagine life without you. Couldn't imagine life without you.
30 minutes left.
We only got 30 minutes.
Hello and welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. We are, you guessed it, back at the mall. Why? Because we hungry. Yeah. So we're about to get some food.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Possibly.
I haven't eaten all day. We worked out. We had like an amazing workout this morning. It felt great. Yeah, tomorrow probably be a little bit sore, and we got to run tomorrow. But shouldn't be too bad. It's really nice outside. There is a small breeze blowing. Oh, that nigga's off on that curve. Boy. Yeah. Yeah, so we're about to find some food. We were gonna do Cheesecake Factory, but the line is very long. So I don't know what we're gonna get. We might just grab something quick and then grab a piece of cheesecake to take home, because the last night we was both craving something sweet.
And Aniva said she wanted that diamond, so I took her to Ruby Tuesday.
There was nothing. There was nothing sweet at home.
You see how I do that?
Yes, you saved my life.
Twice.
Yep. So we will be back once we figure out what we're going to eat. Hopefully find something soon.
And it feels good outside.
Because your girl is
And we're
starving.
going to get charcoal because I'm grilling steaks tonight.
Oh, and we have a grilled steak tonight. So I'm going to eat light for lunch then.
I'm not. Because this is brunch.
It is kind of like a brunch. Yeah. But
Texas flag
okay,
just
we'll
getting
be
wailed
back.
on.
I'm in the Zara, so I have to look for, not Zara, Express, so I have to look for Yard House for lunch, brunch, early dinner.
Got on the list of PF Chang's.
Yeah, we got on PF Chang's list and
They said have fun.
they took some off. So, y'all, I have a, what did I get? Passion fruit. I got passion fruit on here.
Take my straw.
No.
One that was like already like halfway.
No.
I got a Long Beach.
Nice.
Because Anita's gonna drive me home. Because they
That's
come.
so good.
We gonna have another Netflix date tonight?
Yeah. My problem is, burritos be so good and so like,
We got we can have a Netflix date tonight.
yep. Are we still gonna stop buying cheese steak or no? Oh, we can grab something from
Carlo?
oh, you wanted that?
Oh, grab
I was about to
some.
say from H-E-B. You said
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because I gotta get a charcoal.
Oh, you gonna sit outside with you?
Thank you, sir.
Oh well, there's music playing, so we'll be there.
Don't want to get copyrighted. I like getting copyrighted. Stay right over me. Wow, my looks is better.
Not gonna be able to play it.
I'll write that down. I'll write that
Save it for
down.
later. We're done eating. We're about to go into Restoration Hardware. See it, restoration, and see if we can get some inspiration for our room.
Inspiration?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or rooms in the house. My code for wood. So hopefully they're still open. And let's see what we can see. I'm so full right now. It's terrible. Oh, look at the count. See? Like, I wanted to do the bowl. Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
That bowl.
Good.
This size up. Just kind of looking for some inspiration, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, everything's customizable. All of our sofas will sit a little bit different. The depths can be changed.
Okay.
We also have complimentary source books if you'd like to take some with you.
Oh, awesome. Okay, thank you. But yeah, so I remember that big bowl I bought? That big wooden bowl? That's what I want to do. I just never did it. Like, I got the bowl. It's empty. Oh. Yeah, you can get a book. Oh my gosh, it's down on the table though. I love these lamps here. Oh, and you can get in different finishes too. See, Betty wants a bookcase. It's not perfect. See, these are, yep, this is what I wanted. Look at these. Yes. This is what I wanted, something like that over the kitchen sink, like over the island. Originally.
It's just black.
It's just oblong. It's not. Yeah, it's not. the shape I was going for, but I mean, it'll do. Is that concrete? That's nice.
Concrete.
It looks like it, but
Concrete. No, it's wood.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But see if we can get something not that big, but something like that with a mirror on it and the art light. I'm really debating. Do you think I should? So would it be too much to have the lights hanging down and then mirrors on either side of the bed? Yeah, because I'm either thinking about doing a slat or.
You gonna put the floor behind the mirror? You gonna put the floor behind the mirror and bring it out?
Yeah, because it like hangs from the ceiling and then you just strip the floor down. That's why we love mirrors though. Like we really love mirrors in our room. Not why.
That is exactly right.
Did you see the bookcases?
What book?
They was back on my side. Or like this right here.
The bookcases like that?
Yeah. Yes. I wanted, my initial vision was to have like those going on her house, like one on each side, and then having open shelves.
Yes,
Yeah.
One on the side
Like
of the
on each
desk.
side of the wall.
The wall.
Yeah. So like we're standing.
Like facing each other?
No.
So when I walk in, like what? Okay.
Okay. This is the wall. Look, turn this way. Turn this way with me. Okay. Bookcase over here. Bookcase over here. Desk in the center. Open. Open shelves. Across.
Are we talking about the office or the?
Yes, Bibles.
Okay. Where's the window?
The window's on this wall right here. That whole
So when I walk
back
in,
wall.
this is the end.
Okay, walk in.
When I walk in, bookshelf, that.
Yeah. The
Oh.
bookshelves are facing you this way.
When I walk in.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what you gotta do. I gotta orient myself.
I said
No, you said.
stand right here.
You said bookshelf. Desk.
I'm dead with you. No, it's not. Not at all what I said, but okay.
I'm glad you're recording like a reflex. Play it back.
Ooh, this is a cute chair. Look at that chandelier. Huh? We could, but we have to get rid of the thing we just bought.
Thing we just bought.
Not just bought, but the bench.
bench?
Yeah. Which, I mean, I'm sure it wouldn't be that hard to sell that, huh? Because it's pretty much brand new. What?
Yeah, Oh, my bad.
I'll just learn to ignore you now.
Yeah, nice.
Oh gosh. You're funny. Actually, I got those two. But just the open. No, not the foot. Oh, I do need to get curtains though. Oh, shit, you could just got something like this right here.
For what?
The kitchen. I know you put all your hard work into. I know. We're now in World Market. Our first time, huh?
I need to sage the house.
Okay. Our first time ever coming to World Market.
Excuse me. Do you sell sage? Oh.
Oh, it's alright.
Not finding exactly what you're looking for? Visit worldmarket.com to shop more colors, more sizes, more
See?
styles.
Something like this right here.
Yeah, that's a good strip club.
Yeah, is it soft? Do you feel like it's soft?
Alright. Soft enough.
Funny, huh? Yeah, I like it. It's on sale. Oh, I like the sale. Sale? On a sale? Is it on sale? One of these for the kids' bathroom. My goodness, I don't know. I'll find it. Oh, this is cute. It's not the white What's that? Ship it to the house? Okay. Oh, what'd you do? Just scan it or something? Huh? What'd you do? Just scan it? What did you do? Just scan it or something? Oh. Let's bar carts. So they got bar carts. Bar carts. That's what we need. That's pretty cool. So cafeteria table. So literally called a cafeteria table. Huh. Did you want to go to the Target that's right across there? I thought she was getting charcoal. Are you gonna wait now? You ready to go to the Heels? How much is it usually? Hi everyone. We just want to come on and thank you guys for helping us achieve our goal.
100.
We've reached 100 subscribers.
100.
Yay! So, in appreciation of you guys subscribing and watching our crazy antics, we would like to do a giveaway for you all. So,
we're going to give out 3 gift cards in the form of maybe US dollars, maybe shillings, maybe francs, maybe pesos, maybe something of the sort. Might just be a couple tube socks that are warm. But in order to win, you got to be subscribed, which I hope that you are if you're watching this. If not, you still got a chance. And we will pick 3 individuals that are subscribed to the channel to win the 3 said possible gift cards in US dollars or shillings or francs or Swiss pesos.
And then was out there. Remember that time like